Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to take a look at how a small road gets built in a rural area. This might look like a simple process, but it involves a lot of hard work and teamwork, as well as some interesting tools. Here, we see the first step pouring the concrete. The concrete is being delivered by a truck with a mixer, which ensures a consistent mixture. They've already laid a layer of gravel for a strong base. Then spread out a tarp to prevent the concrete from sticking. You can see the workers quickly using shovels and those wooden tools to spread the concrete evenly. They're making sure it fills in all the gaps for a strong and smooth surface. Now, it's time for the main event, the concrete screed. This machine helps create a smooth, level road surface. It has a long wooden board attached that moves across the wet concrete, compacting and smoothing it out. The workers are moving with precision and coordination, guiding the machine with great care. This part is key for a durable, long-lasting road.
Sopirnya di atas. Matang. Garing ya, cara gue muter ya.
After the initial smoothing, the workers are using their shovels and those wooden tools again. They're carefully smoothing out any small bumps or uneven spots, ensuring the road is perfectly level. There you have it, a look at the process of laying concrete for a rural road. It's a testament to hard work and teamwork, and the result is a much improved road for the community. This is just a small example of how construction helps to improve our lives. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.